it's getting to the point you forget what you've bought. And, oh, excellent. That should be all right. Oh, and a stick. This is marketed as an anti-slug repellent. That's what this is marketed at. It's basically copper mesh, and that's all it's marketed at, is a slug repellent, bug repellent. You make it take this. I'm scared to break it open because I don't want to damage the mesh, but I'm being careful. Stop it. Get the top there. Yeah, the reason I bought it is not for slugs or bugs or anything of that nature. Oh, yes, that is nice. Bit of mesh. I bought this for homebrew, so that the next time I do some spirits, I'm getting through my spirits, but not quite that fast. Because copper has a chemical reaction with alcohol when heated. So what I'm going to do is that's going to go in my still the next time I do it. And that can sit on the bottom whilst it's bubbling away, and that should absorb the sulfuric elements from the distillate. So that's that one. And a little paddle. Oh, how sweet. Lovely.